Hi, I'm Hannah from Rotofast, and today I'm going to show you how to install an acoustical panel using the Rotofast Snap-On Anchor system. The first step in any panel installation is to measure and mark the location on the wall where you're going to be placing your panel. In this example, we've already pre-measured and made marks on the wall, so we're going to continue with the installation. But make sure to mark the orientation so that it goes on the wall correctly at the end. Taking the installation tool included in your Snap-on Anchor kit, turn the anchors clockwise into the panel core material, making sure to not over-tighten. You just want the anchor to be flush with the panel core material. In this example, we'll be using 4 anchors, 4 to 6 inches from each corner. For larger panels, 6 to 8 inches is recommended, but you can check the Rotofast website for tips and advice relating to your own personal projects. The next step is to take the reusable marking plugs included in your Snap-on kit and place them into the center of each anchor. Once your reusable marking plugs are installed, it's time to go back to the wall. Checking your orientation to make sure it is correct, you'll line your panel up with the marks made on the wall and press against the panel firmly. As you can see, the marking plugs leave clear indentations in the substrate, in this case drywall. Because we're using drywall, we will need easy anchors. To create a pilot hole, allow the easy anchors to go into the substrate easily and check for studs. We use a hammer and common nail. As you can see, we've hit 2 studs, which means we only need 2 easy anchors. Now it's time to install your black ratchet. You're going to take 2-inch panhead screws with the flat end of the black ratchet against the wall and the curved end facing out. Now it's time to remove the reusable marking plugs. We use a flathead screwdriver to make popping the plug out of the center of the anchor easier. Making sure the orientation of your panel is correct, you'll line your panel up with the marks that you have made on the wall. You'll feel the black ratchets engage with the center of the anchor and strike the panel firmly. And there you have it! You've installed an acoustical panel using the Rotofast Snap-on Anchor system. Thanks for watching!